In this exercise, we're going to do a quick sketch of a hand study, and then we're going to sculpt the hand and render a small portion of it. I'm going to put my hand on a slight angle. It will look a little bit, some of the spacing will look a little bit different to you because you've got a slightly different view to mine, but just bear with me and you'll get a rough idea of the process. What's important is that you consciously observe the shapes. I'm not going to draw a full detail of the hand. I'm going to exaggerate as a starting point some of the shapes that exist. I'm also looking at the negative space in there as well. So ultimately, you know, that's sort of like a diagonal that goes like that. It comes down. It's roughly that shape in there. I'm trusting the process. I'm not drawing anything that I haven't observed. Well, I'm trying not to anyway. If I don't get the line in the right place at the beginning, I just do another line. Again here, looking at the negative space, there's a slight curve in that shape. You'll be amazed how that's a little bit too much exaggerated there, but you'll be amazed about how much detail you can capture when you consciously observe the shapes. Curve shape there, comes from around there. Fundamentally, a line drawing as a starting point goes all the way down. Now that line there is a little bit lower than that point there. Take that there. This line is not quite that long. Straighter there, slightly curved there, slightly curved there, and then it's slightly curved like that. I can see that diagonal goes there. It's just not. Let's look at that shape in there again. That shape is more of a diagonal that goes out this way. It's lower than that point and lower than that point as well. Straight line there. Again, a curve. Quite a round shape there. Quite a long shape there. And then this line goes below that line there. So I'm actually going to take it all the way down. It's not quite that big, but it's roughly there like that. There. That's a little bit in the way. I could have left that, but it's clogging up my view a little bit. That's at that point. This is lower than that point, and so I'm going to show that, and then that goes lines there. Fairly dark line because I'm using a 6B pencil, and then probably goes there. There, it's actually going to go out of the picture plane because this is a sketch and it's just about me getting to know the shape. It's going to go out there, going to come back in like that. There's a curve, fairly loose in terms of the drawing. Confident fluid line. Pretty much a line drawing. Don't draw what you haven't observed. So really it's an exercise in drawing what you've observed. That's enough detail, and in the next one, actually, sorry, I'll put a little bit more detail in there. It's about being free and loose. In the next video, we can be a lot more careful.